Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fun paper toy. So let's start. To make it, take a 21 cm by 21 cm square sheet, fold it diagonally, on both the sides. Open it and then fold it in half. Open it and then fold it in half the other way. Now open it and fold one corner to the center like this. Fold the other three sides like this as well. There we go. Now open it, fold the tip to this line here like this and then fold it back. Do the same to the other sides. Fold it till this line and then fold it back. Open it, fold it to the line, then fold it back. Now this is the last side. After this, you should have something like this. Now turn it, then fold two sides to the center like this, and then the other side too. Now open this and then fold these two corners in like this. Make sure to have a gap between this and this line here. And then the other one. Now just fold this back. Do the same to the other side. Open this and fold these two corners. Up like this. And then fold this back down. Now you should have something like this. Now put your finger in, just open it like this, and then this one too. There we go, we have finished making the toy. Now I'm going to draw a face. You should draw the eyes because this is the mouth, this opening here. Also guys, while you're using a sketch pen to color, you should draw lines like this instead of coloring like how you do with the color pencil to avoid getting marks. There we go guys, we have finished making the paper toy. Now when you push it from both the sides, it should open and close like this. It looks really good, doesn't it? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.